How you doing? How you doing? It's your boy, Stink Williams. You know how it's going. Representing New York, talking about colognes, talking about fragrances, stuff that you can upgrade your cologne game, because I know some of you out there need that help, and I got you. Today, I'm looking at something a little more subtle, a little smooth, gentlemanly. I'm talking about English Laundry Signature. This is really good. This is powdery, musky, aromatic, woodsy. So you have all of that in this. And it's a very clean, grown-up scent, which is nice for a change. So let's talk about what's in it. You have lavender, cedar, you have lemon, you have bergamot, you have coriander, you have nutmeg, musk, sandalwood, amber. Very subtle, very low-key, but it smells amazing. This stuff. And the funny thing is that this retails under $25, but it's good. It's really hard to explain this thing, man. I mean, it's just very good. So with the projection, it's pretty close. You got a scent bubble around you, probably 4 feet, give or take. So it's more of an intimate type of scent, but it's also very office friendly. It's date night good too, but definitely for the office. You could definitely rock that. Rock it to the gym, the supermarket, wherever. Subtle, but not overpowering. The performance, it lasts on me about 6 to 7 hours, give or take. It becomes a skin scent towards the end. So, you know, if you have it on you, you could smell it all night long. It's pretty good. And I would suggest you give it a shot. It is very available, and like I said, it's under $25. There's a whole line of English Laundry scents. I only have Signature right now. I will target the other ones when I get my hands on them, but this was the first one I got, and this is the one that I like. English Laundry Signature.